Publish your application to the Google Play Store. Hi, welcome to the most interesting section of this course. In this section, we are going to create a developer account and publish our application to the Play Store and notify the world that we are now an Android developer and our application is live in the Google Play Store. So in this section, we will basically create the developer account, export the signed APK of our application, and finally publish the application to the Google Play Store. Creating a developer account. So in this video, let us sign up for the developer account. In order to sign up for the Google Play developer account, you need to have a Gmail account. And soon after that, go to Google and search for Google Play Developer Console. And there you will get the first link from developer.android.com/distribute/console. Go for it and then you will land on this page. You will have all of these options: Overview, Play Console, Play Store, and so on. We are interested in the Play Console. So here let us first sign in. Enter your Gmail account ID and password. And then you need to accept all the agreements and go to the payment section. A developer account costs you $25 and once you get the account, you can publish as many applications as you want to. Now you must be thinking why Google is actually charging us. Just because to avoid spammers. Once you complete the payment procedure, you will gradually land on this page.